Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to enable dark mode on YouTube Android. YouTube provides a dark theme option, which some prefer for reducing eye strain and conserving battery life. We will walk through turning on dark mode on YouTube Android. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Look for Settings and tap to access available options. Select Appearance to control interface design and customization. Options for personalizing the look and feel of YouTube include a toggle for theme, which determines whether the default light theme or dark mode displays content and controls. Turning this switch to the on position enables dark mode. Consider your visual preferences and any conditions like light sensitivity or frequently using YouTube in low light when determining if light or dark mode provides the most comfortable viewing experience. The theme can be changed at any time if needed. After reviewing options, turn the switch next to Dark Theme to the right, on position to enable dark mode. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube playback and usage on your Android device will now default to the dark theme until the theme is adjusted or additional appearance settings are changed. The default theme can be switched between light and dark going forward as preferred. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security, privacy, or compatibility issues, rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling interface design, the YouTube app itself provides simple customization options. In summary, to enable dark mode on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the three dots, select Appearance, turn on Dark Theme, Review, and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now default to the dark theme unless the theme is changed or other appearance options adjusted. Let me know if you have any other questions on customizing design, managing default settings, or streaming features. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the YouTube app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.